There are 4 stages of a trader, and based on my experience, every trader is going through these 4 stages before becoming a highly profitable trader. A lot of people start out trading not knowing what they're doing, not having a system, not knowing how to limit their risk. This is how they lose a lot of money. That is stage number 1. And it's often caused by ignorance, because these days it is so easy to become a trader. How do you become a trader? You open an account and push a few buttons, and this is how you buy and sell. This is where traders lose a lot of money. The important thing is, once you realize that you are making a mistake, you will realize that you need a trading system. Once you have a trading system, you typically move into stage number 2, which is losing a little bit of money. But let's talk about a trading system first. A trading system basically does the following 3 things. First, it tells you exactly what to trade. Secondly, it tells you when to enter a trade, when to buy or sell if you're betting on a falling market. Number 3, it tells you when to exit a trade. And there's 2 ways to exit. It's either with a profit, right? I mean, this is the idea, or with a loss. So it is very important that you have a trading system. If you need a trading system and you would like to know how I personally trade, go to mytradingroutine.com. This is where I have a quick video for you that shows you my trading system, the one that I personally use. So stage number 2 is losing a little bit of money, and this is where most traders are giving up. But keep this in mind. Of course, every trader wants to make a lot of money, right? But after losing a lot of money, typically stage number 2 is losing a little bit of money. And if you can do this, trust me, if you lose a little bit, it's part of your journey as a trader. Let me assure this. I mean, I have been in this phase for a few months, but trust me, you're doing better than the majority of traders. At this point, when you're losing a little bit of money, do not give up, because now you're so close to stage number 3. And what is stage number 3? In stage number 3, you're making a little bit of money. Now, you see, stage 2 and 3 is typically where your account does not move a whole lot. It goes up a little bit, it goes down a little bit. But even if it just goes up a little bit, even if it just goes from $10,000 to $10,500, once you are in stage number 3, where you make a little bit of money, your main goal is to focus on consistency. When you can consistently make small profits, then you will quickly go into stage 4, which is making a lot of money. Why is that? Because when you are consistently profitable, you can add money management to the mix, which is like adding fuel to the fire, which is like the turbo boost. However, it is important that you are in stage 3, that you are making some money before you add money management. I'm curious what stage you are in, and trust me, being in stage number 2 and 3 can be the most frustrating stage. But when you are, make sure that you're sticking with what you're doing. Based on my experience, you're so close to making a lot of money. So let me repeat the stages one more time. Stage number 1, losing a lot of money. Stage number 2, losing a little bit of money. Stage number 3, making a little bit of money. And stage number 4, making a lot of money. And really, trust me, every trader that I know is going through these 4 stages. And the worst thing that you can do is giving up when you're in stage number 2 or number 3, because usually it is just a matter of weeks. You're so close to being in stage number 4. Was this helpful? If so, please like this video and leave a comment and let me know what stage you are in right now. Hopefully, we will see in these comments that most traders are in 2 and 3, And I really hope that some of you are already in stage 4, making a lot of money.
Click on like and leave a comment and let me know what you think. And make sure to subscribe to this channel to get new videos automatically.